Hello guys! Today I will be reviewing the Afaxinrie Tripod overhead view. Open. This is why I needed a new tripod. This doesn't have an overhead mount that would allow me to point the camera downwards, so I can do things such as sutures on my suture pad. Anyways, pieces for the tripod. The base stand. Instructions. Don't need that. Let's assemble. Oops. No one saw that. Like this. No. Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Where are the instructions?
Instructions? Don't need that.
Oh, right. Let's see. Step 1 to 3 and 4. All right, I got it now. Adjustable. I guess you can also put it on this way too. This would be the view. Perfect. See my ratings in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.